We entered, we took our luggage. It was pretty bad. We're on the way to Udine now, Italy, from Villach, and it is extremely hot here. Oh my gosh, I don't know if I'm gonna. So from Udine we still go by train to Trieste airport, then pick up the car, and then go check in at the hotel, and then go to Trieste. So I'm just wondering how it will be.
7 p.m. till we reach.
Yeah. So just arrived here in Udine. We got a smooth ride in the bus from Villach. It was about 2 hours journey and it was pretty good. What we're not expecting though is the weather. It was raining so much and it caught us by surprise because yesterday we were checking the forecast. Well, in fact, the past 2 or 3 days. And it was saying that today it was going to be this amazing weather, 32 degrees and sunny the whole day. But anyways, we got here, we already bought our tickets. We are going now to Trieste airport to get our car. And then from there, we're probably going to Trieste city to have a look, but hopefully it's not going to rain so much. We just arrived here to Trieste airport. It was a very smooth journey by train. It cost only €4.50 from Udine, then about 20 minutes ride. You hop off on the platform and then you get up and walk a little bit towards the terminal of the airport where we're gonna get our car there. Everything went well there. We just got our Ferrari. It's a Lancia Y. I've never seen this car before, but it's even hybrid, so I think it's going to be very economic. But normally we always have this expectation that we're gonna get a free upgrade, because I think the last 2 or 3 times we got an amazing upgrade from a very small car to some very nice Mercedes. This is the first time that I actually get what I paid for. Now we're gonna head to our hotel. We have to check in there and take a shower and then go to Trieste. Hopefully the weather is getting much better. It's not raining anymore and I see a bit of sun. So looking forward to visit the city now. Woo! Ferrari! Finally reached. Let's go check in and
I told you, babe, that this was even like
wrong place.
accidentally on someone's property.
We entered, we took our luggage and then this guy started looking weird at us and it didn't look like it was a hotel reception. And then I asked, is this the hotel? And he's like, no, I think you're real wrong.
Well,
but it should be like just across the road, so let's try again. Okay, now we're in the right place. So it's very nice here. Outside there are some vineyards and they produce local wine and they have also organic food here. They produce prosciutto, mortadella and everything. So we might have dinner here, we don't know yet, but definitely looking forward for the breakfast tomorrow because it's also included. Yeah, so it's very simple, the room. There's a big bed here, there's a very tiny TV and the bathroom looks very big actually. Where does it turn on? Right here? Yeah, not bad actually. Good enough. Now we're gonna have a quick shower, get ready and go to Trieste finally. Here after a shower, we're finally ready to go, but it's already 6 p.m. so let's see if we can still get something in the city. We arrived after 30 minutes drive and 40 minutes to find a parking place. We entered the building. Well, first it was hard to find it. You know, it's Italy, tiny streets and so. And then we entered the building and then we came directly to the exit of the building. Then we had to do a lap on the quarter. There was a big traffic, but finally we could park the car after 40 minutes. We walked like 10 minutes and we are on the Grand Canal now, and it's really beautiful here. We can see the sun that is going to set probably in like 30-40 minutes, and there's a lot of people here just enjoying this beautiful waterfront here. It's much nicer than I thought actually. I saw some pictures from Trieste and to be quite honest it didn't look like so amazing, but just having, you know, being here and the smell, you can smell the fish, you can see the birds and so the seagulls, and it's a whole different experience. Let's continue walking.
You said you wanna play your game. You dealt me in, I said I'll pick it up, it's all the same. But don't follow all the rules. I know you don't, you change day by day. Hardly seems that way. How can anybody understand? How can anybody...
So Trieste was a very disputed town in the past because of its strategic location. So it was part of Italy, then it was part of Yugoslavia, then it was part of the Austrian-Hungarian Empire, and finally in the 50s, if I'm not mistaken, it came back to Italy. And here behind us, it's the Piazza Unità d'Italia, very beautiful. And because of this mix in where the city of Trieste belonged to, you can find many different types of architectures here. It does, of course, look like Italy, but it resembles some buildings in Vienna as well and in Austria in general. So we're just trying to get the best picture of us in town here. And there was this grandpa standing exactly on the perfect spot for the picture for like 15 minutes.
He's still there.
Since we're a bit late today, so we rented a taxi now. Walking here on the waterfront, we saw so many nice restaurants and we're so hungry. What are we gonna have? Pizza?
Pizza and
we're looking forward for
pasta.
Proper Italian pizza for quite a while, and pasta as well. So we're gonna try to find a typical Italian restaurant.
Yeah, everything, even the drinks.
Francisca just found the best rated pizzeria on TripAdvisor, and it's just 6 minutes on foot from here, so let's see how it is. It was pretty bad. I really don't understand why this has been elected as the best pizzeria in TripAdvisor. Definitely not. That was probably the worst pizza I've ever had. It was so hot inside as well. There was just one guy serving us and for the whole pizzeria, which was quite full. And people were waiting like 1 hour to get a pizza, and it was super dry and tasteless.
Honestly, 1 hour, yeah. The guys next to us like came probably 10 minutes after we came, and then they just got pizza when we left. So I mean, honestly, 1 hour 20 minutes we spent there, so
or
they
even
were
more.
waiting 1 hour.
It was definitely very disappointing. Guys, don't come to this place. We gotta continue walking in the city.
British English.
So to cure a little bit of our disappointment, at least we are looking at this beauty over here. Wow. I think this square is even nicer during the evening. It's so romantic. There's a restaurant over there. The guy's playing the piano. Everybody's having a great time. Really beautiful. Look at these palaces here. Top notch. Wow. It started to rain, guys, and we just see a lightning bolt, and we're gonna walk back through the waterfront, get the car and come back home. So it was great the time we spent here. It was unfortunately too fast. If you just have a couple of hours or maybe 4 or 5 hours here, just walk by the sea, you know, in the waterfront, come to the Piazza Unita d'Italia, and don't go to that pizza place that we've been. If you want to have a pizza, you can grab anywhere else except in that place. Look, Trieste is much better than I thought, and I'm really happy that I'm here. But we're looking forward for tomorrow. Now we're gonna go to our next place, which is Treviso, and then we're going to the beach. So stay tuned and see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.